When the mischievous cousin came over, he set his eyes on Kitty's toy car and grabbed it, intending to take it home. Kitty didn't want to give it to him, but her cousin's mom insisted that Kitty hand over the toy car to her little brother. Kitty was so upset she started to cry. She tried to take it back, but her cousin smashed the car instead of returning it. Hearing the crying, her dad came in from work and angrily told the cousin's family to leave. The cousin's mom was shocked, saying it was just a toy car. Was it really necessary to go this far? Kitty's dad replied, "This is about respecting our family. Please leave." In Kitty's eyes, her dad became a hero.